You need the magic wand? You know the magic word? Okay, say it. I don't know. That's a good word. I don't know. Oh, say abracadabra. Abracadabra. Very good. Okay, here goes it. Uh-oh. This doesn't feel like a rabbit.
Batman.
Yeah,
oh,
right there.
Ice cream cone.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Okay, he's going to try again. Come on. Watch out. He's going to get a rabbit out of here. Okay, come on out. Come on up here, Oliver. Okay, try it again, Oliver. Abracadabra. Very good. And here we go. Uh-oh.
That's not real.
Fake. I think I got him by the ears. Look at that. Here he is.
What? What's that?
No rabbit. It's not working. I squished it. I hope there wasn't a rabbit in there. I got a squished rabbit. Try it again.
Nothing.
Nothing. Try again. Okay, I'll try. Uh-oh. There was a rabbit in there. He got squished. Look at that. Okay. Oliver, thank you very much for helping. We appreciate that, Oliver. There you go, Oliver. Thank you for helping.
Okay.
Good job, Oliver. Good job.
Yeah, good job.